Oh, I didn't see you there. Welcome to the Jet Science Laboratory. Are you ready to have some fun? Then let's have some fun, fun, fun! Today, we are going to be doing a lab called Calorimetry of various foods. The purpose of this experiment is to try to find out how many calories are in samples of food. Of course, this requires a full lab write-up in your lab notebook.
One of the materials that will be used in the experiment is a calorimeter. This device can be used to determine how many calories or joules of energy are present in a given sample of food. For example, the nutrition label on this bag of marshmallows shows there are 100 calories per 2/3 cup of marshmallows.
One key term that students might need to know is a calorie. A calorie is defined as the amount of heat necessary to raise 1 gram of H2O to 1 degree Celsius.
Now let's go jump into this lab.
But wait, safety first, remember?
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
There are a set of basic safety rules everyone must follow, along with the rules that pertain to the experiment when performing the lab. Let's take a look at what 2 students are doing right now.
Wow, look at all this stuff. Let's go have some fun.
Wait! Before we start the experiment, everybody must read any lab instructions provided by the lab manual prior to beginning the lab. Here's a lab manual. Now read it.
Okay. Okay, I'm done. Let's go.
Wait! We are still not ready. Before we begin with the experiment, it is imperative to be properly geared up. The following items must be worn. Lab apron. Closed-toed shoes. And goggles. Also, you must have on your goggles at all times. Well, what are you waiting for? Go get dressed. Chop chop. Time is of the essence.
I'm all geared up. Can we start now?
Yes, we can start now.
Yes.
Wait! I forgot something. If students have long hair, he or she must tie back his or her hair. Also, if you have long sleeves, like me, you must roll up your sleeves.
Okay. Now, can we start?
Yes, we can start.
Finally.
Keep recording, keep recording.
So what kind of materials do we need for this lab?
For this experiment, we need the following: a food sample, a calorimeter, which consists of the following: a can with a hole to put in the food sample, a 125 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask, a cardboard with a hole, and a stopper, a thermometer, a scale or a balance, and last but not least, a lighter or a wood splint.
So, how do you use a calorimeter?
It's really easy to use. Let me show you. To build a calorimeter, take your 125 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask with 50 milliliters of water and place your cardboard onto the flask. Then take your stopper and place it over the cardboard square. Then take your thermometer and record the initial temperature of the water. Once you have your initial temperature of the water recorded down, take your unit and place it in the can like so. Once you are ready, take your food sample and put it on the food holder. Then you will light your food sample. Once your food sample is lighted, place your can over the food sample. Once the reaction is finished, record the final temperature of the water in your lab notebook.
I totally get it now. Oh, I'm so hungry. Can I have a soda or something to eat? How about this roasted marshmallow?
The lab safety rule says that food and drinks are not allowed, and no one should eat any substance from the lab. So no!
Aw, man. Hey, think fast.
What are you thinking? No horseplaying is allowed. And put that marshmallow down. You must pick up chemical substances with proper equipment, especially substances that are heated. You could burn yourself.
I was just joking, though.
It doesn't matter. This place is already filled with many hazards, and it is our responsibility to make sure that we prevent them from occurring. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Good. Now let's continue our experiment. We're done with our experiment.
Yes, let's get out of here.
Wait. We can't just leave our lab area a mess. We have to clean up, remember?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
You can start by throwing away that marshmallow.
Okay. Well, since I can't eat it, I guess I'll put it in the sink and let it grow mold or whatever. Okay, I'm done now. I threw the marshmallow in the sink.
Okay, good. Wait a minute, did you say the thing? You can't just throw away stuff wherever you want to. Lab procedures said to dispose of all chemical foods and waste properly. Put the marshmallow in the trash can when it is room temperature.
Oh, okay. So what do we do with all the rest of the stuff?
Just make sure to disassemble your calorimeter, take your water from the flask and pour it down on the sink, rinse your flask and dry it on paper towel. And if you have any spills on your lab, wipe it down with a napkin and make sure that your lab is prepared for the next class to use.
Okay. Now can we go?
Yes, we can go now.
Yay!
Aren't you forgetting something?
What? Oh yeah, I can't leave the lab with my goggles and my apron on.
Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope you not only learned how to do this experiment,
But also tips on how to be safe in the lab.
now go in there and have fun. But always remember,
Safety first.